animals show us their intelligence and how they act in their life and the characteristics they have while they are living in the jungle or whatever. And like, for the elephants. The elephants are very intelligent animals because they can find each other like for 100 meters away with one sound, and they can recognize the language of the people by their sounds, and they are an artistic animals. So they draw in the ground with the sticks and by communicating with pictures.
Many biologists happen there that animals can think and have feelings, but the other people don't do the same. And they studied of animals, and for example, Asi is a orangutan. She can communicate with abstract symbols, and Kansi is a bongo. She can communicate with lexigrams. Coco is a gorilla, and she can express with American Sign Language.
I'm going to talk about dolphins. Dolphins are marine mammals that are of the family of the whales. There are 14 kinds of different dolphins. Dolphin mind is incredible. There is a similarity between dolphins and humans. Dolphins have a different form to sleep. They only sleep one part of the brain, and they can swim when they are sleeping. The dolphins are the most intelligent animal in the world, and humans doesn't know how smart they are. The dolphin's brain is very similar to the human brain. Humans can easily teach dolphins routines with a ball, and because dolphins can memorize 5 verbs like right, left, up, and down, etc. Killer whales are the most bigger kind of dolphin. Killer whales are very dangerous, but they don't kill humans, but if they want, they can beat a shark. Each killer whale has his own sound. This sound is to identify who pertains to a group. The name killer whale is because they kill babysitters.
Our conclusion is that animals are smarter than we think. And not all the animals are the same as smart as the others. All the animals think different depending on if it's a dog